After diving into the fascinating world of poker card manufacturing, I finally get it why our country has become the global powerhouse in poker card exports. But here's the catch. The core paper technology is still tightly guarded. The secrets behind America's premium cards? They're way more mind-blowing than you'd ever imagine. Today, I'm taking you inside a local poker card factory to uncover the incredible history and craftsmanship of poker cards. Look at this. Workers are handling the famous Purple Heart paper, a high-quality material developed right here in China. Alongside it, you've got Blue Heart, White Heart, and Gray Heart papers. But the one the US keeps under wraps, that's the mysterious Black Heart paper used for top-tier cards. Here's the thing. The US could take a page out of Elon Musk's book and open source their tech, pushing the industry to new heights. Now blue, white, and gray papers, those are your standard cards flooding the market. But Purple Heart paper? It's a cut above in the upper mid-tier. Then there's the elite Black Heart paper, where a single deck can cost tens or even hundreds of dollars. Why? Black Heart paper is completely anti-transparent. No potion, no fluorescent ink, no high-tech glasses. Nothing can see through these cards. They're the go-to for high-stakes games in places like Las Vegas and Macau. Next up, the printing process. After the paper is prepped, it's printed with intricate designs, like the iconic club pattern you see here. Then the jokers, big and small, are added to the mix. Let's be real. When you're playing Do Diju, don't you always curse when you miss those jokers? It's all because of these tricky patterns. The final printing stage involves 4 vibrant colors: black, red, blue, and yellow. The first 4 colors and the last 3 are printed separately on the front and back of the cards. Here, workers are carefully aligning the paper before flipping on the mechanical switch. Watch as the paper glides smoothly through the machine. Ever wonder why a standard deck has exactly 52 cards? It's no accident. Those 52 cards represent the 52 weeks in a year. The black and red suits, along with the 4 colors, symbolize the 4 seasons. If you assign J, Q, K as 11, 12, 13, and the jokers as half a point, the total value of the deck adds up to 365, exactly the number of days in a year. Mind blown yet? This isn't just chance. It's a clever design rooted in ancient calculations. Pretty cool, right? After multiple rounds of rolling and refining, the paper undergoes a water treatment process. This makes the cards smoother and enhances their performance. It's all about that perfect shuffle and deal. Once the surface is dried to remove any leftover moisture, the paper is cut to precise dimensions. Every cut is mapped and analyzed on a screen, ensuring pinpoint accuracy with automated systems. In seconds, stacks of poker cards take shape. Workers meticulously inspect each batch, checking for perfectly printed fonts and ensuring the edges and corners are flawless. As the decks come together, they're placed on storage racks and move forward on a conveyor belt. The cards are then cut vertically, separating them into individual decks. To streamline transport, a metal plate secures the decks together. They slide seamlessly into a metal groove. With zero room for error, no missing or extra cards here. Precision is everything in this process. Once the decks are complete, workers load poker boxes onto the line. The packaging is carefully placed underneath. At the end of the conveyor, each deck is pushed forward, one at a time. Check this out. On the left, a roller presses down to form a groove. On the right, a card deck is slotted into its box. It's a fully automated mechanical marvel. No human error, just efficiency. This process saves tons of time and resources. Every step is perfectly timed, like a well-oiled money-making machine. Because let's face it, this is practically printing money. Now it's time for the plastic seal. When a box hits the right spot, a plastic film wraps around it and seals it tight with heat. This keeps everything pristine. Before we wrap up, here's a quick note on the process. The printing you see here is done with flexographic technology using eco-friendly, water-soluble ink. No fancy color-changing ink, just pure quality. One last thing about poker. There's a famous magic trick that's still unsolved. So keep your eyes peeled and take a guess. How do magicians pull off those insane poker tricks? Turning cards into magic?